from Mentor Professor MARaza channel. Myself, your mentor English Professor MARaza. Today the topic is sociolinguistics. My dear students, it's a common question: what is sociolinguistic for every linguistic teacher or for every linguistic student? So let's get started. The answer of the question: sociolinguistic is a branch of linguistics which studies the relation between language and society. Underline it and clearly remind it, or it must be in your mind, and remember it, that the relation or relationship between language and society. I'll repeat it. Sociolinguistic is a branch of linguistics which studies the relation between language and society. Language changes its form and structures on the basis of social conditions. For example, social class, gender, religion, and culture. Cultural groups. A particular social group may speak a different variety of language from the rest of the community. Such a group of speakers comes under the head speech community. The variation in language as such may occur due to the differences or differentiations in class or status. The speaker belonging to the educated and higher class may have different way of speaking of the same language in comparison with that of those belonging to the uneducated and lower class. A language also varies. Among the speakers belong to different geographical regions. Regions with respect to their pronunciation. For example, the English spoken in London varies from that spoken in the other range of the same country. For example, received pronunciations. RP is a variety of spoken English or speaking variants used in the southwest of England, and is particularly associated with the universities of Oxford and Cambridge and the BBC. It is an educated formal kind of English, whereas the English spoken in the north of England, for example in Yorkshire and Lancashire in Scotland and Wales, differs or differentiated in their form and pronunciation. Similarly, the varieties of English spoken in different countries, for example American Indian and Australian English, also have variations. Sociolinguistic studies these variations and changes in a language. So my dear student, hope you will definitely got the idea and got the definition of sociolinguistics. So before going, again request to all my viewers, all my watchers, all the students, all the parents of the students, that must subscribe Mentor Professor MARaza. And if you are searching for Urdu or Hindi literature, then subscribe Murshid Urdu Professor MARaza. And if you are searching for logic and philosophy lectures, then subscribe Jami Darul Uloom Shaykhul Islam. And thank you very much. Let me go now and say with me: do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.